These are F1B Goldendoodles. They are actually 3 weeks old today. I do need to clean their pens, so I apologize for that. But they were up and awake and playing and being so cute, I couldn't resist. Are we playing? Are we play fighting? That's Iggy. I do have 5 of these available. That's Misty. She's a girl. And we have our extreme party. Oh, are you barking? Are you barking and talking to us? Yes. They have 2,000 roots. They come with a vet check and first vaccination. There's worms on a regular basis. They have worms when they're little. All of our pups come with that standard. They come with chips. That's Lily. That's Misty. Oh, and you go from here barking at us. Oh, that to see. Look at the chest. Who we got here? Who we got? That was Kiba. Hey, Kiba.